Winter has arrived right on cue, with a wild weekend of weather for WA and for New South Wales. But for this week, another coastal low is forecast for the east and another cold front for WA. But we'll start off taking a look at the satellite loop, and here we have that cold front and rain band that brought the destructive winds and heavy rainfall to WA over the weekend, but it has weakened considerably. And then down in the southeast, we've got this cloud and moisture that's being drawn into a low pressure system that's just sitting off the Gippsland coast. And for the remainder of today, that low pressure system is bringing rain to Gippsland that will clear as it moves slowly southwards. However, the rain will continue about eastern and northern parts of Tasmania. Now, it's also bringing wind wrapping around that low with a severe weather warning current for damaging wind gusts for northeastern parts of Tasmania, while that rain band with embedded storms will just move into central Australia. And as we move into tomorrow, that low tracking away from Australia and dragging with it the rain and the wind, while the rain band will weaken into isolated showers and push into eastern parts of South Australia, but we're not expecting any significant rainfall with it. While out in the west, we've got this high pressure system and ridge dominating, bringing clear skies with morning frosts and fogs possible. Now, as we move into Wednesday, that high will dominate, moving slowly eastwards with showers and really enhanced over eastern parts of the country, including southeastern parts of Queensland, eastern New South Wales and eastern Victoria. In fact, on Wednesday evening, a coastal trough is expected to develop off the New South Wales coast, bringing moderate rain to central parts of the coast, including the Sydney metropolitan area. And as we move into Thursday, we have this cold front pushing into the west, bringing showers, gusty winds, and even isolated storms to the coast. But that low pressure system, the coastal low, is wrapping moisture in around it, and it's going to be wet across eastern parts of New South Wales and eastern parts of Victoria as well. And that will continue into Friday, with the heaviest rainfall and the winds highly dependent on the position and movement of that low pressure system here, while that cold front out in the west will just skirt across southern parts of WA, bringing showers there. Temperature-wise, it's a cool start to the week, with generally maximum temperatures 2 to 6 degrees below average across the majority, apart from in the southwest with above average temperatures. In fact, that trend will really continue for much of the week, with below average temperatures through the majority but warmer conditions building out in the southwest until that cold front moves across during Thursday, with much cooler temperatures pushing in on Friday in the southwest. So if you're wanting to know more about what's going on in your neck of the woods, you can visit the Bureau app, website and social media. Otherwise, we'll see you again next time. Bye for now.